had the brain.
Welcome to my first day in Cambodia and Battambang. And I'm eating a very good breakfast. Not a rat, but a very good breakfast, and I was super surprised of the quality of this breakfast. And it was just $2-3. Then I took a tour around Battambang for $15 and of course the lunch was included. A very typical Cambodian meal, I can say. And of course, when you are in Cambodia and Southeast Asia, you need to go for sugar cane.
Sugar cane here. Please, you get up. You get it down, please. And see. And play. So she peel it. She get the peel, the back of the sugar cane. Peel it up. Yeah. You get it here, more here. You come here. Shadow, we come here is shadow.
It's very good. And the first attraction after the sugar cane is this bamboo train. It's something you really need to do when you're in Battambang. And it's a very touristy thing, I think, because I did see a lot of tourists doing this. And but join me on the bamboo train in Battambang, Cambodia. And we are here, of course, we met more tourists that we almost have an accident. And the railroad tracks here is an old, from the French colony time, so it's a very old track. I don't know if they have a proper train here now. They only have this kind of bamboo train on this track at this place. And after the bamboo train, we are going to eat a Cambodian delicacy. So join me for the rat moment.
They have tiny and small. There isn't in the wild. One day he found a rat like 200-300 rat, but now they're so long. The rat had the brain, eat everything. There's the liver, tail. Better than chicken. A little bit crunchy, the bone. You want, I give you one, the head. The head.
You eat the head?
Yeah, the brain.
Is there no bones in that?
A little. Break the arm for you. Liver. I let my friend, I get my friend, the dog. They're hungry. Yeah. They like
Do you know about Pol Pot in the late 70s? This cave was used during his genocide in Cambodia. And you also saw one of the killing fields that he used for genocide in Cambodia in the late 70s. It's a very horrible place, and you get the feeling, you feel a little bit sick when you're here, and you also be like very sad, and you can, how can people do this to each other? It's a very strange place, but something you need to do when you're in Cambodia, to know a little bit of the dark history of Cambodia.
Like my family, they moved from city to get inside the countryside. They consider the new group, But 17 Aprils, yes, from city, living in countryside, they consider the new group. My family, the new group. The new group will lost everything, Because of my rule, Bata to tell us, please just a few days, you will back home, Not few days, not 3 days, 3 years, 120 days. We living in countryside, we lost everything, Overproperty in the house. Because of my rule to tell us, just a few days, we will back home. But so we don't worry about something, yes. But so we lost, 3 years, gone everything. 1929, the Khmer police become back home. No home, My house, they pulled down, my house gone. Everything gone, My house built by wood, they pull down, they take the floor, the window, what they want to be. Yes. But so my father, he suffered with the move.
This is a more fun place. This is a bat cave. So what you see up here is bats. They come out every evening. They fly out thousands of bats from this cave. So that was very interesting. Very cool to see. You see here, wow. Yeah, so just give me the information on WhatsApp. Yeah, and then I will text you back.
Because for the WhatsApp that is you have to make a plan for tomorrow or something.
Tomorrow I will just rest tomorrow.
Okay, so you will rest for tomorrow, maybe for the daytime or something.
Just let me know on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Just write me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for everything, if you have to make a plan, you can just tell me.
Yeah.
I just come to pick you up.
Yeah, perfect.
And then I just come for show you a map or something for Angkor map or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then we have to talk then.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Hope to see you soon.
Yeah. Thank you. Welcome to Siem Reap and my $5 hostel. And when I was here, it was 40 degrees Celsius. So I was sweating like a pig all day long here in Siem Reap. Thank you. Hello.
You want in menu, sir? You menu ở tôi mới
Yes.
You want a mok Cambodia? Yeah, one of black.
Pad Thai, fried chicken with chili.
Do you have the meatballs?
Yes.
Meatballs?
Meatball.
Meatballs.
This one is, I have. Yeah,
Okay.
this one is spicy, no spicy.
Okay.
Yes, you like spicy?
I like spicy.
Okay. Sit down here.
after the fish has eaten on my feet, I needed some food. So I went to the local market and I started with some meatballs. Not like Swedish meatballs, but this meatballs was very good. It was Cambodian meatballs. And of course, when you're in Asia, you need to go for the spring rolls. But I really recommend you to go here. It's a very cool place to try local food. And it's quite affordable as well. Everything you see on this plate here, plus a mango juice, it's only cost me $5. You live like a king when you're in Cambodia. And yeah. Here you have it. Here mango juice from the fancy lady. The mango lady, I called her. Yeah, you see, you see here, I'm super hot. It's still like 35 degrees on this in the evening. And what will we do the next day? Of course, when you are in Siem Reap, you are here for Angkor Wat.
I collect the ticket, I want thank you.
Hello, Laura. Laura Croft. Hello, hello. Where are you? So this is not Angkor Wat. It's another temple around Angkor Wat. In this area you have, I don't know how many temples, but it's hundreds of temples. So this is another one. Yes, so now I am in the last temple of the day. I rented a tuk-tuk driver that drove me around 4 different temples, of course. And there was, you only pay like $5 to $10, and you have him or her for 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. And then you have to pay the entrance fee as well. That is for 1 day $35. And if you can also buy like 3-day pass, because you don't really need a tuk-tuk driver, you can also rent a bike or bike around this temple. But I Was quite glad I arrested a tuk-tuk driver because it was so hot here. Like even if you just did not walk on anything, you was sweating. But here we have it, the last one, and the most crowded. After Angkor Wat was quite crowded, but this one was also crowded. This also had a feeling of Tomb Raider. If you have seen the old one, the old Lara Croft movies from the early 2000s.
This is called a dancing hall.
Say goodbye to Angkor Wat and the temples around Siem Reap, because this is the end of the video, and in the next one I will take a night bus down to Korong Island. That is a paradise island in Cambodia. You shall not miss that one. It will be a very good one, and see you in that one. Ciao, thank you.